Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green lines are coming from here. And very, very nice movement today. Nice recovery. So kind of two angles to look at this chart. The first is from those people that just care about the big picture of it all. And from the big picture, as I talked about yesterday, 13 cents was very important because, the next level was that 12-cent mark, and that 12-cent mark carries a whole lot of weight. I'm not going to go through all that again. If you're curious why 12 cents is so important, just go back and watch the video from the 15th. But the point here being that assuming from the angle that you care about the general perspective, great to see that not only 13 cents did hold, but the price was also able to now start to work its way back to the upside. And then from just simply the trading angle, this chart now becomes very interesting because, while the volume did kick in, and that's important, don't get me wrong, the other important part is just the track record here. What do I mean by track record? Well, this one has shown in the past that it's got the ability to move, and it can move big. Now, does that mean that it's for sure going to move big again? No, the point here is that it shows that it can move. There's been lots of instances out there, and you'll see this if you've traded for a while, then you know exactly what I mean. But if you're newer, where a stock gets volume, but then it's like the thing never actually moves, and there's no track record of it actually moving. Whereas here, the price is getting volume, and it has shown that it can move. Again, does that mean that it's guaranteed to go on another explosive, explosion? That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that at least the potential is there for it to get moving once again. So that's an encouragement right there that the price was able indeed to be able to start to build these lows right here. So if you picture those as stair steps, yes, very bootleg looking stair steps, but you get the idea. The stair steps are being constructed in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. Now, if there is going to be any sort of chance at a bigger type move, the big level of resistance that's just kind of staring this down is that pink line up there, which essentially once again rejected the price today. That is the 200 period moving average, and going back through the history of things, you can see this level has been very, very stubborn towards the price. Not saying the price can't break above it, just saying that apparently according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to actually break up above 15 cents and stay up above it. All in all, though, interesting movement. Good to see that the volume came back in. Good to see that the price is starting to work its way back upwards. So we'll see what the price has in store. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.